Namaste बिटिया सदा खुश रहो. A very good morning to all of you and welcome in digital session of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University 2.0 version. Myself JVN Dr. Alka Jain, Associate Professor in the Department of Community Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. So in this practical sessions, I will discuss about the vaccine BCG. BCG, this is the full form. BCG is Bacillus calmette guerin. Now, first of all, what is the name of BCG? Full form is BCG LEB Danish bovine strain. And the content of in BCG vaccine is Mycobacterium tuberculari, and this is 3 to 10 million bacilli per dose. And it's a lyophilized preparation, and the dose of initiation is it is given at since at birth or first contact since just after birth, and it should be given in a single dose. No booster dose is required because it is a live vaccine, so no booster dose is required. And the dose is 0.05 ml in newborn and 0.1 ml in infants and children's, and it should be administered in left hand, left arm at intradermal at the insertion of deltoid muscle. And the efficacy of vaccine is 0 to 80%. That means in some cases efficacy may reach up to the 80%, but in some cases there is zero immunity, means the persons get infected even after vaccinations. And the contraindications of this vaccine is immunodeficient patients, and the side effects are axillary adenitis. So BCG vaccine is a live attenuated vaccines, Mycobacterium bovis, developed in 1921 and protects against tuberculosis, meningitis, miliary tuberculosis, and all other types of tuberculosis. The maternal antibodies do not interfere as CMI, cell-mediated immunity, not transplacentally transferred. It induces long-term protection. The supply of vaccine is freeze-dried, and it should be stored frozen or refrigerated, and the reconstituted vaccine should be used within 4 to 6 hours because it's a dry vaccines, and before administration it should be prepared in distilled water, and the dose which is prepared should be used within 4 to 6 hours, and after that it should be discarded. As I have told before that the dose is 0.05 ml for infants and it's 0.1 ml for children's up to the year 1 year of age. And the administration should be intradermally over left deltoid muscles. Local lesions due to bacterial multiplications which heals, leaving a scars in 12 weeks. This is within 3 months. And the formation of scars means it confirms that vaccination is given and it is effective. But if there is no scar formation, then it should be repeated. And the contraindications are the persons who are immunodeficient, and the side effects are axillary adenitis. Adverse events following BCG vaccinations is lymphadenitis, and it appears within 2 to 6 months from soft axillary lymphadenitis, and it is 1.5 to 3 centimeters with or without sinus. And how we will manage that? If firm, then there is no treatment required, and if soft and fluctuant, then HR3 aspiration. Aspirations if needed, and steroids if sinus is present. And the next one is bacterial access, and it appears within 72 hours, fluctuant or firm abscess with or without fever. And antibiotics and antipyretics should be given, and if needed, then drainage should be done. And now it's an image of a BCG vaccines, and it is available in dried form. And before application, it should be prepared, and with this distilled water, which is given here, image is given here. So this is all about the BCG vaccine, how it is given, the dose, the administration, the contraindications, and the side effects of BCG vaccinations, and the adverse events following immunization of BCG vaccines. And if you have any queries related to this topic, please comment in the box. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you so much.